Reach high, for stars lie hidden in your soul. Dream deep, for every dream leads the goal. We delight in the beauty of the butterfly, but rarely admit the changes it has gone through to achieve that beauty. It is the changes that we all go through in our lives that constantly improves us. And with Maya Angelou's words portraying this thought in the most dazzling way possible, I would like to greet you. I am Renuka Datta, the principal of Euroschool Wakad, Pune. I started my career in the field of education in 1986. Since the last decade, I have been in the position of a school leader, and my expertise encompasses being a founder principal of 3 schools as well as a college. Being a passionate educationist with a dynamic career spanning more than 3 decades, I have gained diverse experiences and have worn different leadership hats both in the teaching and in an administrative capacity. Euroschool Wakad was founded with the vision to encourage children to realize their latent talent, ascertain areas of interest, and hone individual skills, thereby uncovering varied facets of their personality and helping them to truly discover themselves. The goal for us was to create confident and responsible global citizens through a well-rounded curriculum focused not just on academics but also on extracurricular initiatives, so enabling and holistic development. In this journey of self-discovery at Euroschool, children are well guided by a staff comprised of expert educators through engagement programs and skill building programs which build 21st century skills such as global citizenship, innovation, lateral and critical thinking, complex problem solving, creativity and reasoning, along with development of critical life skills like empathy, mindfulness and self-awareness. At Euroschool, we believe that the aim of education should be an all-round and harmonious development of the physical, intellectual, emotional, spiritual, moral and aesthetic side of human personality. In doing so, emphasis is given to the 3 H: head, heart and hand. Euroschool Wakad values its association with various programs of the British Council for International School Award (ISA). Is a benchmarking scheme that accredits school as having an outstanding level of support for nurturing global citizenship in young people, enriching teaching and learning. Our school has integrated internationalism into the curriculum through partnership projects with schools from diverse countries like Taiwan, UK, USA, Brazil and Nepal. We are also proud partners with NBA Basketball School to provide quality coaching that enhances skills in basketball amongst our children. We are also associated with Furtado School of Music to promote vocal and instrumental music. And we are also associated with Trinity College of London as a registered examination center wherein we host examination in the fields of drama, music, language and speech. Our school boasts of half Olympic-sized swimming pool, skating rink, basketball court, tennis court, indoor gymnastic arena, indoor taekwondo arena, CCTV across campus, buses with a female attendant, cafeteria. A prominent milestone in Euroschool Wakad's glorious journey of academic excellence ever since its inception 2 years ago has been the consistent outperformance in board results of grade 10th. Excellence in academics is the hallmark of a good institution, and the grade 10 results of our school prove without an iota of doubt that our students have made us proud. This year, not only have we repeated the milestone of 100% students passing in grade 10th, but we have also surpassed the earlier record with all students scoring above 80%, with the school average being 90%. Our torchbearers, the school toppers, have also raised the bar by achieving 98% as the best individual performance. Teacher competence and professionalism play an important role in the success of student learning. Our dedicated team of more than 100 teachers work closely with students to foster synergy and equanimity. They are more like mentors who guide students in their formative years. To teach the 21st century skills to the students, the teachers have to become 21st century educators themselves. They are able to do so through programs like the 60-hour teacher training program, the Euroschool teacher assessment test, a curriculum communication platform like Argus, and a Report Bee, which is a student report and performance sharing platform. It is only pertinent at this stage to highlight one of our unique distinguishing features that focuses on our commitment to uninterrupted learning by leveraging digital technology through Argus. This is a very successful digital learning portal that has dedicated components to complement the core academic curriculum. It is a seamless ecosystem which empowers teachers to deliver the curriculum effectively, engages students in the classroom by incorporating interactive, enhanced digital learning modules, and enlightens parents on the learning outcomes of their wards through real-time modules to monitor the same. The enriched features of Argus platform also caters to uploading of assignments, projects, homeworks, and worksheets. The assessment tools even help the students to take on the examinations in online as well as offline modes. The parent app module of Argus is very popular with parents as it gives near real-time details and analytics of the child's progress. Miscellaneous aspects like formation of the school senate, project activities, celebrations and competitions are also available on Argus. School is such an integral part of our students' lives, and Argus has tremendously helped us in continuing to deliver uninterrupted learning for our children, bringing the classroom straight to every child's home. The virtual schooling program is delivered through a combination of live classes, video lessons, real-time assessments, and detailed analytics. Last but not the least, the Argus app is available on all platforms, be it mobile, laptop, or desktops. Euroschool Wakad boasts of excellent infrastructure facilities where students enjoy and learn art, music, dance, yoga, and physical education, along with various sports like tennis, swimming, basketball, skating, gymnastics, table tennis, among others, during their co-curricular activity periods. Such activities rejuvenate the students and they look forward to the non-academic sessions with greater interest and enthusiasm. Our students have brought us accolades and medals by participating in competitions beyond the school level at Zilla Parishad and Council sports competitions. Our institution is India's first chain of schools to receive the Safe School certification. Our dedicated school resumption task force has put together a school resumption plan with complete safety, hygiene, and security measures in place. The safety of our students, parents, and staff is our topmost priority. As equal stakeholders in the children's journey through school, I am confident that all parents will join hands with our school to make this dream a reality. I firmly believe that by working together, our children will be provided with every possible opportunity so that they are encouraged to reach great heights of success, both in their professional and personal areas of interest. I'm happy to now introduce you to our parent coordinator who will walk you through our unique learning model at Euroschool.
Dear parents, I am Neha Bhunkar. I head Parent Communications at Euroschool Wakad. My journey of learning and exploring with this most brilliant school started in the year 2015. Today, Euroschool Wakad has grown into a large and thriving school of almost 3,000 students spread across junior KG to grade 11. I welcome you to explore a world of curated, engaged learning and self-discovery at Euroschool Vakad. Our learning methodology follows the LRPA model. Learn, learning the concept with multimedia tools. Reinforce, reinforcement with technology enhanced learning. Practice, practice with experiments and projects. And apply, application of the concept in real life. This methodology is designed to pave the way for the students to do well in academics, along with well-balanced co-curricular activities that help children to develop their creative, sporting and musical aspirations. Euroschool boasts of a well-researched curriculum created by a team of subject experts working at our dedicated curriculum design and research department called the Cerebrum. The curriculum is constantly upgraded to suit our fast-paced times and bearing in mind the best interest, needs and preferences of children of various age groups. The curriculum has been carefully planned with hands-on activities, enabling the children to learn, reinforce, practice and apply all that they have learned. Curriculum delivery is well supported through our classrooms, which are digitally enabled with touch screen devices. A unique learning management system, Argus, which is highly personalized, supports learning for Euroschool students anywhere, anytime. Our pedagogy revolves around 21st century learning skills, creativity, critical thinking, communication and collaboration. With self-discovery at the core of our pedagogy, Euroschool Vakad encourages fine arts and sports clubs right from grade 1, making these activities mandatory. Students are given a plethora of options to choose from and are encouraged to pursue the club of their choice and excel in the same. Skating, gymnastics and taekwondo that help develop strength and stamina in students are also mandatory activities right from preschool. For us, it is critical that children are encouraged to pursue their areas of interest throughout their foundational years of learning. I am proud to add that the learning systems at Euroschool Vakad are designed to provide for all types of learners, as it combines the best practices and revolves around Bloom's taxonomy and multiple intelligences. Mental health is just as important to us as the physical health and well-being of our children. This is taken care of through regular motivational sessions by student counselors and dedicated workshops for parents and students. Our learners with special needs are ably supported by qualified special educators. What can be better than a school with a perfect blend of the best of academics, co-curricular and extracurricular activities, with the infrastructure, vision, mission, philosophy and human resources to drive all this. We look forward to bringing you on board as partners in the foundational years of your child's life and assure you a wonderful, well-guided path to self-discovery and holistic growth for your child. Admissions are open for the new academic year 2021-2022. Do reach out to us on 9322511234 or 9322811234 or write to us at info@es11.euroschoolindia.com to know more about admission application, dates, deadlines and processes. Wishing you a wonderful day.